Lighting isn't just equipment, it's storytelling. It shapes emotion, sets the mood, and transforms any performance into something unforgettable. With the stage lighting course from One Education, you'll learn how to design powerful lighting setups, control color, mood, and intensity, and work confidently with industry-standard tools. Whether you're supporting school productions, theater shows, live events, or creative projects, this course gives you the skills to light every moment with purpose. All online, flexible, and designed for every skill level. Enhance your creativity and elevate every stage you work on. You've just explored what this course can offer. Now remember, it's all possible with One Education. We're a UK-based online learning platform trusted by thousands of learners worldwide. Every course is self-paced, accessible anytime, and comes with a CPD-accredited certificate to boost your CV. Get instant access and tutor support, all designed to make learning simple and flexible. Wherever you are, whatever your goal, One Education helps you learn today and lead tomorrow. One Education. Your knowledge, your future.